Good morning everyone. A heartily welcome to all IC members, observers and CBSE officers for virtual inspection. This school is situated in Badi district, Raisan, MP. Here mostly students belong to rural area. Total area of our campus is 6070 square meter. I am Selja Dubey, principal of MP Convent School. This is entry gate of our school. हमारे स्कूल में मॉर्निंग असेंबली, वीकली एक्टिविटी, एनुअल स्पोर्ट्स एंड अदर एक्टिविटीज़ हाउस वाइज होती हैं। जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं, ये 4 फ्लैग्स हमारे स्कूल के 4 हाउस को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं। येलो हाउस, ग्रीन हाउस, ब्लू हाउस, रेड हाउस। This is our parking place. It's a waiting place for parents, guardians and visitors. This is our help desk. And this is our guard room. Now proceeding for next. इन पिक्चर्स में आप देख सकते हैं स्कूल की रेगुलर एक्टिविटी, जैसे कि सूर्य नमस्कार, योगा, डांस, मार्शल आर्ट, करियर काउंसलिंग और भी कई सारी एक्टिविटीज़ होती हैं। Have a look around the campus. You can see aerial view of school.
Welcome in the playground of MP Convent School. This is the ground of Kho-Kho. You can see Now move forward. All of you can see that this is the playground of Kabaddi, where children used to play Kabaddi. We can see the different activities in this picture: self-defense, sack race, taekwondo. Now we are going to see the volleyball court for boys. All of we can see here boys used to play volleyball. After then we are going to see the court of for girls. Yeah, this is the place where girls used to play volleyball. Too much spacious place. Boundary wall can be seen around us.
For safety from fire. Namaste. Welcome in our academic building. These are fire extinguisher. Let's see office. Strength board. Class register, staff register. CCTV control room. We are moving towards director office and principal office. These are virtual classes.
के 6 प्रकार होते हैं। व्ययी भाव समास, तत्पुरुष समास, कर्मधारय समास, बिंदु समास, द्वंद्व समास और बहुव्रीहि समास। व्ययी भाव समास में एक पद अव्यय होता है।
Good morning. This is our computer lab. As you know that we are living in the age of science, where technology and computer knowledge plays an important role in the lives of the students to make better career and we have 25 computers with all the important hardware and software that will help to students, and also we have internet connection for advanced learning like different computer language and other educational software knowledge.
Good afternoon all. This is the bio lab and this is Meena, the biology in charge. And here you can see the charts of the display of charts, different kinds of cycle, food pyramids, oxygen cycle, nitrogen cycle, carbon cycle, and these are the main instruments you can see. Here students generally learn, as you know, science lab, it is the heaven of curious minds. So this is the dissection box students generally use for sliding and other activities, and these are the models of neurons, human cell, kidney, pancreas, liver. These two things here, as you know, this is the respirometer and that is a ganometer that is generally used for the plants, and that is the internal organ, internal model of air, and this you can see this is human skeleton, and that is model of stomach, internal heart, and working heart, human heart model, biolab, RNA, DNA, display charts you can see. Here students practice and learn many things, and these are the specimens or microscope and slides of different microorganisms, temporary slides and permanent slides you can see, and generally students practice from these plant cells, for example monocot stems and dicot stems. These are the specimens of plant and animals also. As you know, these specimens you can see starfish, rohu and dogfish, prawn, scorpion. Lots of specimens are there and students can learn many things. And this is the microscope. As you know, generally small things and students learn in this microscope. These are the charts, as you can see. These are the display of digestive system, pedigree analysis 1, pedigree analysis 2, pedigree analysis 3, pedigree analysis 4. As you know, these are the most important model of Mendel's, and that is the urinary, kidney or excretory system, how it works, and this is the main part generally students use. So this is the model of kidney, this is the human heart. So this is the human heart, as you know it's working, and that is a brain model, DNA charts, heart, internal heart, that is the kidney, excretory systems, and DNA chart, RNA chart, human skeleton is there, blood circulation display is there. As you know, for the security there is a CCTV camera is there. You can see that is a CCTV camera, and it's a blood circulation display. You can see nervous system, respiratory system, and these are the general box for dissection. Dissection tools are this, the dissection box generally used for slides, temporary slides and permanent slides. These are
display in charge.
Good afternoon. We have math lab. There are different types of charts, like as algebraic formulas, like as a plus b whole square. This is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Students can learn very easily with the help of these charts. Also, you can see there are different types of charts, like as profit and loss, and the mensuration. There are many formulas like area of rectangle, area of square, area of quadrilateral, area of triangle, area of parallelogram, area of rhombus, and also trapezium and square. And this is the mensuration chart second. In this chart, we have the three-dimension figure, like as cuboid, cube, cylinder, conic, and sphere, hemisphere also. And these are the properties of circles. In this chart, there are many properties of circles. You can see. And in this chart, we have different types of quadrilaterals. You can see the different types of quadrilaterals are here. Concave quadrilaterals, trapezium, convex quadrilaterals, parallelogram, and rhombus, rectangles, and squares, etc. And also we have a chart of triangles. There are different types of triangles, and also here is Pythagoras theorem. It is very easily described by these charts. And here are congruent triangles. You can see here there are different types of congruent triangles and the basic properties of congruency, like SAS, SAS, ASA, ASA, and AAS and RHS. And this is the chart of number system. The students can learn very easily with the help of these charts. Also, you can see the addition of rational numbers and some geometrical concepts, like as line segment. What is line segment? What is ray? Collinear, points, current, concurrent lines and non-concurrent lines, parallel lines and perpendicular lines are here. And this is the chart of circle. So you can see here the circumference of circle, the chord of circle, semicircle, arc of circle, and etc. Also, we have some numbers for our small children. You can see here numbers are in the form of different colors. The students can learn very easily with the help of these numbers. We have some charts. Here you can see the area of acute angle triangle. Also, we have some numbers. So students can practice which number is big and which is small by this one. And also we have some geometrical instruments like as divider, protractor, and abacus. By abacus, the students can learn very easily and very quickly calculation. And this is the protractor and scale. And also we have some solid shapes. Also we have some different shapes like as cone. You can see here, we can find the cross section area of cone very easily. And also we have cube in solid shapes, cylinder, a sphere. You can see here a big cylinder is here and a big cuboid is here. Also we have some pyramids and hemisphere and cylinder in transparent form. Also we are providing the facility of digital class. It will help the student to learn very easily and very quickly. And also we have the facility, we are providing the facility of CCTV. You can see here, we have CCTV cameras here.
This is our physics lab. Vikas sir, physics lab in charge.
Good afternoon. This is our physics lab. We have some charts related to physics experiments such as Pascal law, 3 types of equilibrium, I and its defect, radioactivity, telescope, diesel engine, petrol engine, and propagation of light and propagation of sound. Let me introduce our apparatus of physics experiment, such as prism, which is used to determine the minimum angle of deviation, magnetic needle, which is used to determine the north-south direction, and this is magnet, bar magnet. This is spirit level, which is used to measuring the level of plane surface. This is dry cell about 2 volt and 1.4 ampere. This is battery eliminator. This is drying board with glass slab. Glass slab is a instrument which is used to tracing the path of ray light. This is galvanometer, which is used to determine the presence of electric current in our circuit. This is screw gauge, which is used to determine the diameter of screw. There are some electronics devices such as LDR, transistor, resistor, LED, ICs, diode, Zener diode, and etc. We have also voltmeters, ammeters, galvanometers, connecting wires, one-way key, two-way key, and we have also rheostat. This is also called a potential divisor. This one is optical wrench with a concave or convex glass. This is used to determine the focal length of concave or convex lens and mirror. This is our Ohm's law circuit, which is used to determine the resistance of wire or conductor. This is stopwatch. This one is Searle apparatus, which is used to determine the Young modulus of wire or spring. Student also determine the tensile strength of wire or conductor. This is resistance box. This is also called a variable resistor, which is used in our practical. This is Lagrange cell. This one is Daniell cell. This is our wooden plank or potentiometer, which is used to determine the internal resistance of wire and also used to determine or compare the EMF of two cells, and also used in specific resistivity of wire. This is jockey. Jockey is a conductor which should not rub on the wire or conducting wire of magnesia constant. This is also a Daniell cell, which is also called accumulator cell. This one is meter bridge. Meter bridge is an electrical device which is used to measure the value of unknown resistance or specific resistance of wire or conductor. This is our two slots AB and CD. This is resistance box which is connected between AB, and we have also wooden plank for practical purpose, and we have also CCTV footage camera for observing purpose.
This is our chemistry lab.
Namaskar, welcome to our chemistry lab. You can see here we have a well-maintained chemistry lab. You can see here laboratory precautions chart is here, and extraction of zinc. We can explain the extraction of zinc very easily with the help of this chart. also you can see here the modern periodic table and sodium chloride crystal. You can very easily explain sodium chloride crystal, and also we can explain the atom and atomic structure via this chart. Also we can explain the concept of mode. You can see, and this is the chart of chemical bond. We can describe this type of bonds are here, and also we can explain the electrolysis process. Also here preparation of nitrogen and nitric acids are given. Now after this chart we have some equipments related to our chemistry lab. You can see here we have some bottles and volumetric flask. This is flask, you can see, and this is volumetric flask, and this one is volumetric cylinder. We have 100 ml volumetric cylinder, and this is filter funnel. If we want to filter some material, then we can use filter paper with this filter funnel, and this is evaporating disc. Also you can see conical flask. Some conical flask are here. You can see this is 250 ml conical flask. Also we have a solution table. You can see here in the lower rack. You can see there are different types of acids, like as concentrated HCl, concentrated H2SO4, concentrated sulfuric acid, and also we have dilute HCl, dilute H2SO4, dilute HNO3, and in middle rack you can see there are some hydroxides are here, and in upper rack we have some solid material. Also you can see a test tube are here, and this is test tube rack. Test tube is the most important part of this lab. And also we have same two types of tables are here. Now you can see here, this is the titration stand. You can see this is the process of titration, and this is volumetric pipette. You can see we have 25 ml volumetric pipette, and this is burette, and you can see this one is test tube holder. If you want to put test tube, you want to be test tube, then you can see we can be test tube by this process. Also we have litmus paper. You can see this is the red litmus and this is the blue litmus paper. By litmus paper we can find the acidity and the base nature of material, and this is the pH value paper. We can find the pH value of solution. Also we have some chemicals are here. You can see this is CS3COOH, and this is sulfuric acid. Also we have ammonium ferrous sulfate and potassium permanganate. Also we have some barium chloride and starch. Also some different types of solutions are here, and this is the sink. Now you can see also we have Bunsen burner. You can see here, this is the Bunsen burner. To heat some material we can use this Bunsen burner, and also we have this fire extinguisher. In emergency condition we can use this.
This is our boys' toilet. Now you can see our digital classroom. Now come to our indoor games block.
I want to welcome you all myself, Pramod Sharma. This is our indoor games block. We have lots of games, indoor games like chess and snake and ladder. Apart from it, we have games and other cheese games also for mental health. And we also posted some motivational points for motivation for the junior student. Apart from it, also we display some sport famous personalities like Virat Kohli, we have Mahendra Singh Dhoni, and also in the field of football we have Lionel Messi's picture that will motivate students to get the knowledge about the indoor games. Apart from these, we have also proper cricket kit setup for junior students. And also we have weight measure machine in our sports room and other accessories related to sports that will help to improve the personality, and also they can learn what actually we can do in the field of sports. So this is also a necessary part for all the students. Again we have a sports room in which we safely kept all the accessories. We have a single room in which we kept all the sports accessories related to all the indoor and outdoor games. Apart from this, we have counselor room for all the students, problem solution and all the queries.
This is our girls' toilet.
population is an asset of economy rather than liability, because वैसे population human capital, population are the capital in which human capital in which we invest by education, training and medical care. Population can be human capital because human capital is superior than any other type of capital like land capital, physical capital and other resources. Human capital is a productive because human capital developed by adding more education and health. Human capital is most superior because it makes use of its own. Other capital are not useful because they are not used their own. Human capital.
Girls' toilet. Drinking water facility. drinking water.